Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily adjust the special processing settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first we're gonna go into the menu and now go to adjustment and maintenance. Now here, let's go to adjust image quality and select the special processing. Now here what we have is we have the special paper processing. Now as you guys can see, we have the paper curl correction, wrinkle correction and flat closing prevention. Also the rough surface paper mode and manual backside print, so two-sided only. Here we can easily enable it for, let's say, multi-purpose tray or the first drawer. Here we have the rough surface paper mode. And what else we have here is we have reduced PE paper sticking at output and high humidity mode, low humidity mode, or reduced ghosting. So I feel like reduced ghosting is actually good, but look at this. When set to on, then print density may become uneven, and if it's okay with you, then click yes. If not, then click no. And here we also have a lot of more settings. So here, as you guys can see, we can adjust almost everything. And for example, we can adjust the reduced drum streak, and now the setting is configured. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.